guys, and welcome to my brand new channel dedicated to the world of trip reports. First of all, I'd like to give a shout out to my inspiration, both Dan Torp Aviation and Paul's Trip Reports, which are excellent examples of great trip report channels that are available on YouTube, and they've been around the world. So literally their channels have been the best inspiration I could possibly have, so thank you very much guys, I really do thank you for that. Their links will indeed be in the description down below at the bottom of this video. So to start my first trip report here on YouTube, I'm going to be travelling from London Euston to Carlisle tomorrow in Virgin Trains' first class on the Class 390 Pendolino. And I'm going to focus on the entire trip and what Virgin offer should you choose to book them in first class, and what you're going to get for your money. So I do look forward to sharing that trip report with you, and without further ado, let's roll the tape. Hi guys, you meet me at Euston. As you can see, it says Euston. Hello, so I'm going to be travelling from here to Carlisle, all the way up in the Lake District, in Virgin Trains first class. I'm about to go into the lounge. There's guys out there handing out leaflets about High Speed 2, which is quite interesting. I thought that was a good 15 years away yet, but no, seems like it's happening pretty soon, so yeah, I can't wait to show it to you guys. But yeah, Euston. Let's head inside. Somebody just told me that the sleeper is currently here at the moment, and we're going to go down and have a look at it. Just a quick look, just to see what it's all about. The sleeper is here, it's just arrived from Glasgow, so let's have a look. So there's some Virgin trains, so I'm going to be going on one of them. And here is the sleeper. Let's go take a peek quickly before going into the lounge. So these sleepers are run by Serco. This is one of their Class 92 locos here at Euston. And you can say on the side it says 92 right there, so you can always tell. It's yeah, what a beast of a loco. Huge, absolutely huge. So that's Pendolino sleeper. That panagraph. Wow. So let's walk the sleeper, as they say. Apparently this takes quite a while, so I'm going to zoom ahead now at about 5 times speed, and I'll see you when I get to the top. guys, so I'm here right at the top of the sleeper train. It is approximately 16 coaches, making it the longest train running in the UK, apart from Eurostar, of course. That's also 16 coaches, or 17. One can't quite remember these days, but I'm just going to show you this. This is a class 92 loco on the front. This is 92032. Still with its Europort branding. That's quite interesting. This is GBRF, and they run the sleeper. There we go. What a fabulous loco. You can see there's a class 350 leaving there. What a brilliant loco. It's absolutely huge, these 92s. But yeah. So this is going to take the 92 round to Wembley, where it's stored every day. Another beast of a loco. So I'm going to go get some pictures quickly, and I'll meet you back into the concourse where we're going to travel Virgin trains first class. Hi guys, I'm back in the concourse here at Euston. So it's quite a walk down that sleeper train, I'll tell you that. 16 coaches, takes you about 5 minutes, especially with luggage. But here, yeah, I'm going to be going into the first class lounge, which you can just see there. So yeah, come with me. Hi guys, I'm here in the Virgin Trains first class lounge. It is really good. I've got some nice bits to eat here. I'll show you. So there you go. Just got a light little bit of breakfast, a croissant, a biscuit, some apple juice and a coffee. So I'm going to be getting breakfast on the train. I've been told by Virgin that they offer a very good breakfast on the Glasgow train, so I'm looking forward to it, and I really can't wait to share it with you. So I'll see you on board the train. See you in a bit. Hi guys, I've just experienced the Virgin Trains first class lounge. It was really good. Loads of places to sit. It does get very busy in there though. The amount of advance tickets available now for first class does mean it It is quite popular, so you do have to get in there nice and early, but there are plenty of spaces. There's a nice food and drink to eat, so I'm going to be making my way over to my train shortly, which is on platform number 13 today. They've changed it from platform 2, so a little bit of a walk, but nothing too hard. So we'll just head over now. See you there in a bit. So hi guys, I thought I should add how I know the platform before it's actually announced. There are places you can go online to find this out. I've gone onto a place called realtimetrains.co.uk, which is a really good website that gives you live platform allocations. It means you can beat the queues, beat the rushes and get to the train before anyone else does, which is quite a good perk, especially when you work on the railway. It works out really well for you. So I'm just going to go down and have a quick look at the sleeper, which is still sat on platform 15, and I'll be back very shortly.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stuart, part of the onboard service team. Just like to welcome first class customers travelling up to Glasgow this morning. We're coming through with tea and coffee now, so can you please keep all aisles clear of any tripping hazards, safety for us and yourselves. Plenty of room behind the seats, above your head and the end of each coach for luggage. There'll also be a juice cart coming through with apple, orange still and sparkling water. We are still a breakfast service. If there isn't a menu card on the table, I'll just run through what we've got. It's a set menu in choice of one of the following. Full English breakfast, salmon and scrambled egg, bacon bat, sausage bat, vegetarian sausage bat, fruit, porridge, eggs Benedict, eggs Florentine and scrambled egg on toast. All the above are subject to availability. If you do not get your first choice, there's at least 3 or 4 others to choose from. In the meantime, just sit back, relax, make yourself comfortable, and we look forward to serving you and seeing you. Thank you.
Seen here, we are just about to pass Euston TMD train maintenance depot. There is a 350, there is a class 86 Caledonian sleeper, and a 313 of Network Rail. Now we're flying across the West Coast main line, heading north on the fast at about 120 to 125 miles an hour. There's a 90 with our Caledonian sleeper empty stop that we saw earlier. At this time, it has a Class 92 in Caledonian sleeper livery at the front. There we go. So we just passed, that would have been 5 Mike 16. And there is a Class 70 of an intermodal from Ditton to Felixstowe. We're now approaching Wembley sidings. There is the Princess Royal Distribution Centre for Royal Mail with the 325 EMUs, the only freight EMU that exists in the country, as a multiple unit. There's a ROG Class 37-6, 37608 most likely. And here we go into Wembley sidings with a DCR Class 56. On top of that, we've got a DB Cargo Class 90 and a DB Cargo 66. On the Moss End run, there is a Class 345 of TfL Rail or Crossrail, the Elizabeth line, as well as a Virgin Trains Class 39 Pendolino in the new livery at Wembley Depot. Thank you. Travelling at approximately 125 miles an hour, the orange stayed perfectly still in my class. This is just amazing to look at. Hello.
Do you want a cup of pudding?
Yeah, if that's okay. Thank you. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. That's alright. I will say now, in hindsight, that food was absolutely delicious. It was served brilliantly. It was piping hot, just from the oven, just from the pan, and it was absolutely delicious. I will recommend this to anyone wanting to travel on Virgin trains on the West Coast in the future. And there you go, that empty plate should just about say it all. That food is absolutely amazing and I really recommend it. Here we are on the approach into Carlisle now on what has been an excellent train journey from London Euston with Virgin Trains today in their first class area on the Class 390 Pendolino. The service has been superb. There is a crew change at Preston, so you will get new crew at Preston if you are boarding a Glasgow Central service, and they will prepare the train for a lunchtime service. So we were serving breakfast from Euston and lunch from Preston. Unfortunately, I didn't get quite enough time to experience the lunch service. Unfortunately, as I was getting off at Carlisle, so you don't get too much time between Preston and Carlisle to be able to choose anything, but it was a great selection of breakfast stuff anyway, and what they were serving on the lunch menu did look delicious, so I really do recommend it to anyone who would like to pay a little bit extra. You can get advanced fares from as cheap as £30-40 for these journeys. If you book far enough in advance, 2 months in advance, you can get them extremely cheap. So I do recommend this journey. It is such a big difference from the standard class and what is on offer in the onboard shop. So I really do recommend it that for anyone that wants a little bit extra luxury for not that much extra money. So here we are. This is Carlisle. My journey will end here, and I really do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to leave a comment, that is really good. I'll get back to it. And yeah, I look forward to serving you some more trip reports in the future. See you later. Hi guys, and welcome to Carlisle. As you can see, this is Carlisle. So yeah, hello and welcome. I've had a really good experience with Virgin trains. The first class was really good. It's a little bit off the mark from Virgin Trains East Coast, but it's still really worth the money, so I do recommend it. I was served breakfast, full English breakfast. You'll see some pictures and videos from that in this video, don't worry. As well as a very nice sort of light lunch salad that I had, sort of fruit salad that I had for lunch, which was quite nice. I had to get off the train here anyway, and they started serving lunch just after Preston, so I didn't get much time. But I really did enjoy it. So the next leg of my journey is on what's behind me now, the Cumbrian coast. There are issues with Northern today, such as about 90% of their trains aren't running, so I've got about an hour and a half to connect here. So I'm just going to spend the time to enjoy myself and see what's going to happen. So yeah, I really do thank you for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it, please do leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, welcome to the world of my trip reports. Thank you. See you later. Bye.